Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Leslie Workman. She's Pike County's Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Good morning, Leslie.
Good morning, Kristi.
Leslie, I am so excited that you are here because today you are going to talk about baking soda.
Well, most of us only think about baking soda when we're ready to bake cookies or quick bread.
Yes.
But it has a lot more capabilities than that.
So, Leslie, what are some of the advantages to using baking soda versus other cleaning products? Because I know that that's one of the things you want to talk about today.
Well, most of us, when we go to clean something, if we go to purchase cleaning products, we'll head for the cleaning aisle. But I want to encourage you to head for the baking aisle and pick up some baking soda. You might want to pick up 4 or 5 boxes, as a matter of fact. So if you've not used baking soda for cleaning, let me give you a few hints. So for glass or ceramic ware, sometimes we may bake a casserole and it gets stuck on.
Yeah.
Don't ever use steel wool or something abrasive like that. You can actually clean that with baking soda. The miracle of baking soda is it will dissolve organic material. So any stuck on food or grease, just a sprinkle of baking soda and let it soak in that water. Go ahead and eat your meal, come back to your glassware, and it will just about be dissolved. And then you can give it a little scrub and rinse it, and it'll be clean. You'll be amazed.
Wow. So the baking soda does most of the cleaning for me.
It does, because it's bicarbonate of soda, and that's really all you need. So we can replace those harsh cleaners with something that's more of a natural product. In addition to glassware, it will do the same thing for cookware. You can scrub any pot or pan with it because it's not abrasive like a harsh cleaner would be. It's much more gentle. The other thing that it's really good for is for a deodorizer. So most of us are used to maybe putting a box of it in the back of the refrigerator. You can use it. It's really great for a microwave. So if you ever open your microwave and you're like, that doesn't really smell great in here, it's because the plastic in the microwave maybe has absorbed odors. And a microwave will get that stuck on food. People at my house don't always cover things when they put it in the microwave, and it will splatter. So baking soda will both take off the stuck on food and deodorize at the same time.
Leslie, where is the best place to keep our baking soda handy?
Well, you probably really need 4 or 5 boxes if you have a regular size house. So here's the places I recommend. You're going to want to keep a box to cook with. So I keep mine beside the stove. You're going to want another one by the kitchen sink, and that will be for cleaning. You're going to want one in your cleaning bucket. I keep mine in the basement. You're going to want another box in the refrigerator as a deodorizer, and you're going to want another one in the laundry room because it will whiten and brighten all of your whites.
Leslie, if someone would like more information on how they can use baking soda in everyday cleaning, where can they get that?
So the best place for information, of course, would be from your local cooperative extension office, but also another great partner that we have is the American Cleaning Institute. And if you'll go to cleaninginstitute.org, they have wonderful tips and safety hints for all cleaning products that you might find.
Leslie, thank you so much for being with us today. It was so great to learn about how baking soda truly is for everything.
You're welcome.
Thanks for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.